Supports 19-inch industry-standard IT form factors and is OEM agnostic. GRC's exclusive electrosafe coolant options are another reason you'll want to consider the Ice Rack Series 10. Tailored to your specific system, each is non-toxic, earth-friendly, and will last the life of your data center. That's 15 plus years. Outside, an all-inclusive steel chassis cuts installation costs, reduces footprint, and solves secondary containment issues. The system also utilizes a patent-pending approach to coolant leveling. Using chilled water. Its new high-efficiency heat exchanger, redundant variable speed pumps, and intelligent controls maximize efficiency by dynamically adjusting coolant flow to different compute loads. What's more, it easily integrates with DCIM, SNMP, and BMS protocols, plus management platforms such as Vertiv's Environet and Schneider Electric's EcoStruxure.
Servers that are actually being immersed in our system. We call this part of the environmental resilience because when you immerse these in the coolant, they're now protected from any airborne particulates, from humidity, oxidation.